In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your server here in cookierun Kingdom. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to change your server here in cookierun Kingdom, here's how you can do it step by step. When you first start the game for the very first time, you're actually going to get the option to pick a server. This is going to be the only time that you can officially make that choice within the game itself. The game clearly states on this option that once your account is fully created, you cannot switch servers afterwards, so your progress is going to stay locked to the server that you choose at the very beginning. If you do want to go ahead and change your server here in cookierun Kingdom, what you're going to need to go ahead and do is actually navigate into your settings and just log out of your account by going to the info tab right here and then logging out. And after that, you are going to need to create a completely separate account to play the game on a brand new server. There's no official option to change servers later on, so make sure you choose the right server when you first pick while creating your account. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.